Damn, didn't get it. There was a tree falling right at me. That's it right there. Looks like one already fell. Yeah. The crack is right there. So all this might be getting washed away soon. Basically from here, it's probably going away soon.